Good morning, my good people of Ondo State. What a black Wednesday. We lost our governor. May God forgive him all his sins, and may God accept him on his right side. Folks, there is nothing that kills a man than having a bad wife. Having a bad wife. You may not know, but I've been following all the events. Akeredolu did not enjoy his last days on earth, despite all the wealth. And this is a big lesson to we that he has left behind here. To we that it's not that money cannot buy you happiness. Money cannot buy death. Money cannot cure sickness except God Almighty. And this happens if you have a good wife by you. A wife that can intercede on your behalf. Either a Muslim or a Christian. When Ondo State were busy praying for Akeredolu, the wife said she does not believe in prayers. And today, where are we? And that is the fight I've been fighting for the past 7 years. That Akeredolu carried our state and gave it to his family. But thank God today, it has come to an end. It has come to an end. But it's a big lesson to all of us. It's a big lesson even to Betty herself. That she's acquiring the whole of everything in this earth. She's acquiring everything on this earth. Having the biggest fish pond in Nigeria. Building the biggest hospital in her village. Turning her village into a Mecca. Having choice properties across Nigeria. In Ore, in Ibadan, in Lagos, building hotels, buying houses. They bought all the streets in Ibadan. They bought almost all the houses in Iyawo. Where are we carrying all this to? Nowhere. Today Akeredolu is gone. Money cannot save him. I told you, bad wife. When Akeredolu came back from Germany, Betty purposely brought him because of the economic looting in Ondo State. He brought Akeredolu just as a decoy for him to steal from Ondo State, and he stole heavily. And he abandoned Akeredolu in Ibadan. The 3 caregivers given to Akeredolu, do you know that they were not even paid their salaries? 2 of them left. That was the reason why they took Akeredolu to Lagos to go and stay with the brother. I can tell you that Akeredolu family are not happy with Betty at all. When Akeredolu was with the brother in Lagos, when things start getting worse, that was when they were planning to take him out of the country for the second time to Germany. I was aware until Asiwaju was able to give them an ambulance. When they beckoned at this same wife that Akeredolu brought to limelight through the office of the First Lady of Ondo State, she declined going. She didn't go. It was his daughter, Mrs. Rusewe, the daughter of Akeredolu, that followed them to Germany. She didn't go. She stayed behind. She came back to Ondo State. She's trying to still rake money. It's just all about money, money. She abandoned the husband. I'm sure Akeredolu, when she went on his way to Germany, he will regret it. That, oh my God, so this woman is not there with me. No matter how bad the Yoruba woman is, I'm not tribal here. I'm just telling you the reality. A Yoruba wife will not abandon the husband at that critical hour. How would it have been so good, so nice that we heard that Akeredolu died in Germany in the hands of Betty? But Betty was in Akure. Was in Ibadan, Akure, gallivanting, supervising how to steal money, supervising how to build the hospital, supervising how to fish pond. When she heard that Akeredolu is gone, this is a big lesson. May our children not marry from the wrong tribe and from the wrong family. This is a big lesson to all of us. And I will say again, congratulations to those people. Not congratulations that Akeredolu died though, because we all died. I'm not happy that he died. No. But congratulations that the bondage that Betty tied us and the song is broken. The shackle is broken. They don't care. The son was clubbing in Lagos, clubbing in Abuja. Doesn't care the father was this. The mother too was everywhere, holding meetings up and down, still responding on social media when your husband is in critical condition. May the soul of Akeredolu rest in peace. And I think our people, you know more than me about this woman. But I am employing this. I'm saying this. Akeredolu is gone.
So I won't know any look para
okay.